There are urgent appeals this evening for the government to put policies and systems in place to train surplus teachers for export. It comes amidst a mass migration of teachers from the island. Kalisha Williams tells us more.
At a press briefing on Thursday, the Education Ministry announced that 248 teachers have resigned since July this year, and we have been hearing that dozens of those teachers have left the island to pick up jobs overseas. Now, in a statement Thursday evening, President of the Jamaica University, Dr. Asburn Pinnock, said it is full time the Jamaican government make teacher migration a part of the system. Dr. Pinnock said internationally, Jamaican educators are highly respected and in great demand. As such, the country should capitalize on this fact and embark on training more teachers than are needed for the local education sector, with the excess earmarked for export. He pointed to Cuba, which has been training and exporting doctors and nurses for over 50 years. The educator stressed that while in many other professions people are open about their plans to resign, many Jamaican teachers resign while on leave, so their notice period coincides with their leave, which makes it very difficult for schools to plan. As for how the teacher migration plan will work, he said the government should, through its foreign missions, engage in discussions with the recruiting countries and design a model where they can invest in education, creating more favorable conditions in the sector. Acting principal of the Shortwood Teachers College, Dr. Claudette Barrett-March, agrees.
We have a constant conversation with the Ministry of Education to help us to get more students in by offering funding. Because we know that one of the biggest challenges for students to come into college is the funding. So in addition to the math and science scholarships, which they offered some time ago but have cut back on, we are encouraging the ministry to offer more funding opportunities for the students who wish to come into teaching.
Like Dr. Pinnock, Dr. Barrett-March also suggested that the government allows for teacher training institutions to partner with some of the recruiting countries, encouraging them to send their students to Jamaican teacher training institutions as part of an edutourism model.
That's a discussion we've been having for a long time because it has been happening over the years. So we're thinking, why not make it official? Why not formalize it? So we were wondering how we could negotiate with the developed countries who keep recruiting our teachers to work with us to develop a program that we would train their teachers and send them back to them.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.